The other day, I was thinking anyone who follows me can see all the accounts that I follow, and maybe some of them I want to keep private and to myself, especially if your account is public, then anybody can see who you're following. In this video, I'm going to help you stop that. So first thing you want to do is open your Instagram and head over to your profile. As you can see, I have 2114 following, so it shows everything that I like or don't like. So usually I don't want people to have all that information about me. So first thing you want to do is make sure your account is private. You go to setting and check your account privacy and make sure this is toggled on. Private account. In some cases, you might have a public page, like you might be a public figure or whatever, but still, you don't want people to be able to see your following or followers list. So what you want to do is scroll all the way down, and there should be a help option here. So you tap on that, and then you tap on report a problem. And it says if there's a problem somewhere, you can just shake your phone and it will be reported to us that you have that problem. But this problem is not one of those. So what we want to do is report problem without shaking. You tap on that. And then it says, do you want to include complete logs and diagnostics? Yeah, that's fine. Okay, I'm going to include it. And then here it says, briefly explain what happened or what's not working. So I'm going to type, I want to keep my account public, but I want to hide my following or followers list. I want to keep my account public. I want to hide my following or followers list. Please help me. And then you're going to hit send, and they will send you probably an email with some instructions. Maybe they can help you with that, maybe not. I have never honestly tried it myself because my account is private, but they will for sure help you with that. And even if it's not possible right now, I'm sure sending this message to them will help them create such an option in the future. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe.